going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this portable pressure washer. So as you can see here, it comes in this very nice tactical carrying case. It's got a pressure of 652 psi, so it's decent for a portable pressure washer. And if you just want to clean off your patio, clean off your car, this is good for that. It's got this attachment here. You can go ahead and put this in at the end and put your car wash in here if you want this thing to set up your car very nicely. But it's also got this attachment here that has 6 different nozzles, so you can use this and really clean off anywhere that you want to clean. And the nice thing is you don't have to plug this thing in because it has this included 21-volt battery, lithium battery, so you just go ahead and slide that in the bottom like it's a drill or something. You've also got this filter here, so when you're filling up your water from your water tank, you can use this, ensure like no leaves, nothing gets caught up in here. And then you've got this charger here for the battery itself. It does also come with this 5-meter water hose though, so you go ahead and you connect this here, and then you connect the other end of the water hose to your water source, which is like a bucket, could be a pool of some sort, a lake, anything like that. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and slide this into here like so, and then push it in and rotate clockwise so it stays in place right there. Next, I'm gonna attach the water hose to this thing. So it just goes like that, clicks into place. So you wanna make sure this is fully pressed in like so. So you have a secure connection between the water hose and the pressure washer. And you also want to twist on this right here. And that will fully lock in this hose to this attachment. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and slide this battery into place. So just like that, until it clicks. And to remove it, you would press this in and pull the opposite way. Finally, I'm gonna take the other end of that water hose, I'm gonna put it into this water filter. And then I'm gonna put this in my water source. And here is the trigger. As you can see, you can also lock this trigger by pushing in this little black tab right here. And you just push that in and you're ready to go. Overall, I highly recommend this thing if you just want a portable way of cleaning off like patios, walkways, or even your car. Thanks for watching.